Alright, we're going to record a couple macros here. Whenever we actually record them and create them, we're going to be able to assign them to a shortcut button. And then we're going to take a macro and put it in a custom place here on my toolbar that I've created called MyMax. And then we'll execute a couple, we'll delete one, and then as far as restoring, I'm not sure exactly what this piece entails, because I've just been copying it before I delete it and then just going back to the editor and deleting it. I don't really understand the restoring piece, but anyhow, we'll go through here. So what I want to do is just create a 6x6 data grid of just zeros. This is something that we do in like data science stuff at work. We just pre-fill data frames ahead of time. So what we'll do is we'll go to View, Macros, Record, and we're just going to call it zeros. We're going to do Control M, and then we won't worry about a description for now. Okay, so now 0. We'll go over to F and down to 6. Alright, and we will stop recording. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the next one, and it's just going to be Z delete, and it'll be Control Shift M. And then what this is going to do is it's just going to delete all the zeros. Now I'm working on a MacBook that I have put a partition on, so my delete won't delete an entire grouping of cells. It will only delete one cell at a time, whichever one you clicked on. Alright, so there's our two macros. So if I do a Control M, end. Autofill method out of range. Interesting. Huh. You have to be selected on the first one. And then Control Shift M. Huh. Interesting. No, I've actually not run into that before, so it seems like you have to be selected on the A1 cell in order to use it. Which is fine, because I know that's just part of this particular macro. And we can go into View Macros, and we can see both here. So then I know, so we'll click Edit, and we'll just bring up the macro, the VBA editor. Oh, because it's saying range 1 selected. Interesting. Nice. Okay, so I could totally see where this is going to be useful. So I have made a couple macros before, and I know you can make it basically make all these ranges ambiguous, or at least based positionally off of where you are selected. So that's always nice. I've been able to do, if you're selected on this cell, you can just, boom, create something based on your position there. So anyway, we'll pull that down, get back up here. So I want to put, let's see, so macro assignment. So yeah, we're going to put it onto our toolbar. So we'll go here. So there's nothing there. So we'll go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and then we'll go down here to this, click on Macros, and bam, bam. And then OK. So boom, now we have both macros, and we can use them from the ribbon. Oh, interesting, because you have it all selected, it won't let you do it. Okay. Hey, I'm learning as I go. This is pretty cool. Okay, so now we've executed the macro, we've deleted. Let's go through and we'll delete the macro and then we'll restore it. So I will delete it via the macros. Yep, this guy right here. So first what I'm going to go do is pull my editor back up and no, it won't let me do anything. So I'm just going to copy this fella. And then I'll pull the editor, or pull this guy back up. And then we will just, which one did I do? Okay, so zeros is the one I'm deleting. Alright. Macro view, zeros, delete. Do you want to delete? Yes, I want to delete. So it deleted out of our editor. And so it's still in my max, but if you hit it, it says, hey, I don't know where it's at. So it is successfully deleted. But now what I can do is just hit a return, control paste. And then if we go right back over here, boom, zeros is back. Didn't even have to save it. And then if you go back to the macro viewer guy, it's back in here. It just read it right out of the header of the actual macro itself. Alrighty, well that's all I've got. I'm pretty sure we met everything. We restored, we deleted, we executed. Oh, we executed from the editor. Oh, that's easy. So we'll select that guy, boom, and you just hit the run, bam, it did that, and then we can run that one too, bam. Perfect. So yeah, I believe we have met all the requirements. Thank you, and have a great day.